On the subject of the DepEd, we are still looking into it. I think it is contrary to all our policy direction. When we talk about the STEM development of our educational sector, and then to the continuing development, because yung nawala na 10 billion comes from the computerization item. So we're working on it to make sure that we will restore it. I do not want to line item veto anything, because that just gets in the way. So we are still talking about it and trying to find a way, and I think we'll be able to do something. Ayan, that's maybe this is the first thing. Hindi pa